Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is May Ramos. I'm 30 years old from the Philippines. I have a live-in partner and we have two sons, ages 10 years old and 7 years old. My educational attainment is college level. I took a course of computer programming. My work experience is I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for almost 2 years. In the year of August 2022 to November 2024. I work for the Chinese family of two adults, one grandma, and two kids. They were both girls, ages 3 years old and 8 years old. As a nanny, my main duties and responsibilities is the safety of the children. Along with this, I prepare them some nutritious food and snacks. Feed them, take them a bath, also sending and picking them up from their school buses. Sometimes, I also organize some fun learning activities like drawing, crafts, and fun games. Sometimes, I also bring them to playground to let them play with the other kids. I also do the household chores like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and cooking. I don't do the marketing because my employer will just order on the online shopping. But sometimes the grandma go to the market to buy some fresh meat and fruits. I am a trustworthy person, reliable, patient, and adaptable. Mom and Sir, thank you for taking the time for watching my video. I sincerely hope that you will consider my application. If given the opportunity, I will do my best to ensure that your children are well cared for and also to contribute positively to your household and your family. Thank you and may God bless you and your family.